Oh, the spell of Spinel. For centuries, it was mistaken as ruby or sapphire, which is why it bears the name the Great Imposter. It was not until 1783 that Spinel was differentiated from ruby. A few very famous ruby doppelgangers are the Black Prince's ruby and the Timur Ruby. Spinel not only exhibits ruby red hues, it can also be shades of pink, orange, green, blue, and purple. These particular spinels are extra special because they create positive social impact. They are ethically and sustainably sourced from artisanal miners in East Africa and cut by master cutter Roger Derry. The Derry family founded Gem Legacy, a 501c3 which provides vocational training, equipment, and support to entrepreneurs in mining communities. Some of these are women, such as the Precious Women Mine. Together, we've outlined things to know and questions to ask about Spinel. Interested in a gemstone or Spinel jewelry made by women? Check out allthebrilliance.com or get in touch.